Let's get to Meg for more on Russia's claims about having a COVID vaccine. Meg, fill us in.
Hi, David. Well, we should make really clear that Russia has said it's approved this vaccine, not because it's brought it through broad-scale testing to ensure that it is actually protective against the coronavirus and that it's broadly safe, but because they've decided to approve it after only initial small trials in a few dozen people and after animal studies. To make the comparison, we are that far along with multiple vaccines here in the United States from companies like Moderna and Pfizer, and of course from the UK with AstraZeneca and Oxford. So Russia does say that they plan to begin a phase 3 trial, but we don't know yet the long-term effects of this vaccine or the potential safety of this vaccine. I've been talking with vaccine experts this morning who are concerned about this. Paul Offit at CHOP, an expert there, saying, quote, there's no way they could have any evidence that the vaccine, quote unquote, works at this point. So guys, this is a technology that also has not been approved before in vaccines. It's two other viruses called adenoviruses that are used to ferry genetic material of the coronavirus. This is an approach that is being used by companies like Johnson & Johnson with one of these adenovirus vectors and a Chinese company called CanSino with the other. No companies are combining them, so this is different in that way. Russia claims that they have developed this for other diseases, but guys, we haven't seen the data. And so there's just a lot of skepticism about this claim. Russia saying it has won the vaccine race is only based on the fact that they've decided that the race is shorter than other countries have accepted. We in the United States and other countries around the world are running massive phase 3 trials of tens of thousands of patients to ensure that the vaccines protect against the coronavirus and are broadly safer. The concerns here is that, you know, even if you determine safety and the fact that these vaccines do generate antibodies, we don't know the level of antibodies and T-cell responses needed to be protective. And we also don't know in limited trials if there could be safety effects that just haven't been seen yet, guys. So many concerns about this, and we have to put it into perspective. Russia is not farther along. They've just decided to go with less data. Back over to you.
Great reporting, Megan. Very helpful. I mean, it does appear, if we had to equate it to where they are in terms of trials, it feels like they're actually at phase 1, not even phase 2. They're still trying to figure out safety, and yet they've approved it.
Yeah, I mean, they haven't even published any of the data either. And so if this were happening in the United States with a company, they would be getting so criticized for making claims that this vaccine works without showing the data, ensuring that it does. You know, Putin was quoted this morning saying it's effective enough. And that it generates an immune response. But how is anyone to know that? And so the fact that they are starting, they say, to vaccinate teachers and healthcare workers and then broader population vaccination this fall is very concerning to people.